Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create this shake with the black flash effect in CapCut. So first insert a photo or video, then split it into half. So I'm going to split in here, and after that click on the transition box in between the photos. Click on camera and find the down transition. Okay, this one down. Click on that. Click on the check icon and now go to the video effect and add the black flash effect that you can find under the nightclub category. Okay, this one, click on that effect. You can edit or adjust it as you like, but I'm going to just leave it the default settings of the effect. So put the effect under the second part of the photo, and now go to the video effect again and add the shake. Okay, shake effect, and adjust the intensity to only 11. Okay, put it under the second photo again. Now add the blur effect in the lens category, blur, but make it short as possible like this. Then duplicate it 2 times. Now it is done, and this will be the result. So that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.